Okay, so we're going to cover the top 50 formulas that's used in Excel. And here are some points that could help you on making the most of the lessons regarding our Excel formulas. So first and foremost, there's no need to memorize these formulas. This is a good thing because the essence of these formulas is you just need to understand what are they used for. Okay, because if you go for the goal of just understanding these ones, there's no need to memorize them. You can just type in Excel. You can see in the demos later, if you need to use a specific formula, it will tell you on what do you need to pass the values for that specific formula. So it's like there's always a cheat sheet in Excel. If you type it in, it will just show you the usage or how can you utilize this formula. But the important thing is to understand the essence, like what is the purpose of this formula? Where can you apply this formula? Okay, so there's no real need to memorize what's the first parameter, what's the second parameter, and all that. You just type it in, you can see it in Excel. But the important thing is as you go through the examples, understand on what can you use that specific formula for. And number 3, formula parameters can be practically anything. So if you use the formulas later, you can either put in the absolute value, meaning a specific value in your formula, or you can also reference a cell that contains your value. And it can also be, actually there's a lot that combinations that you could do. You can even place in a formula's output as a parameter to another formula. You'll see in our examples later. And regarding the Excel version, Excel 2010, 2013, 2016, anything of the versions in Excel would work fine. If you use any of this. This is the beauty with Excel formulas, because you could think of them as backward compatible and also future proof in a way, because once they introduce a specific formula for that version, then succeeding versions would still support that specific formula. So what you're learning over here is really applicable to your future Excel uses, which is really a good thing.